welterweight matchup between the former Purdue wrestling captain, John Fitch, and dangerous Brazilian, Thiago Pitbull Alves. John Fitch, making his way to the world-famous Octagon. Our tale of the tape is brought to you by Dodge. Once again, with our official introductions for this battle, the veteran voice of the Octagon, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this man is a mixed martial and now. And when the action begins, our referee in charge of this contest is Josh Rosen.
Gentlemen, ready?
Thiago Alves.
Ready?
John Fitch. And here we go. Joe, when you look at Thiago Alves, he's one of the few American top team fighters who came in with a Muay Thai background first and then complemented that with jiu-jitsu. Mostly we've seen jiu-jitsu guys come into American top team and become incredible strikers.
Yeah, it's very rare that Brazilians come in without a Brazilian jiu-jitsu background, but he is one of the rare few. But he has picked up a great many submission skills. He's training an American top team, and most importantly, he's picked up phenomenal takedown defense, and that's one of the things that makes him so scary. When a world-class wrestler like Josh Koscheck can't take him down, you wonder, I mean, what are the rest of the guys in the division going to do when they face that monster? Beautiful head kick there.
Oh, big head kick. And now Alves is cut open, Joe. And again.
He loves throwing that punch. What an exchange here. Both guys staying in tight. Oh, head kick. Alves is bleeding bad here. This does not look good.
Under 3 minutes now. And now with the left again. Wow, that right hand. And now he's answered.
Man, the cheers in here are deafening. This crowd is loving this.
Well over 2 minutes.
Oh, he got hurt. He's down. Oh. He got tagged there, but it looks like he's recovered. Oh, big kick to the head.
It's over.
Oh, man. That was brutal.
Joe, he set that up nicely. And finishes with the head kick. John Fitch with the victory.
Let's take a look at the timing again. I mean, he just sets that up perfect. Here we see it again, and that's it. Here we see it again, close up.
Bruce Buffer has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Josh Rosenthal has called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 48 seconds of the very first round, declaring La Gagnant and the winner by knockout, John Fitch.
John Fitch is the winner.